How do you invest through Teji Mandi app? Supported broker. Teji Mandi supports direct integration with India's top 17 brokers. These supported brokers facilitate order execution including buying, selling and rebalancing. Additionally, real-time investment performance is provided within the Teji Mandi app. Here is a step-by-step guide to investing with Teji Mandi's supported brokers. To invest with Teji Mandi's supported brokers, tap Set Broker either on Home tab or via Account tab. If you already have a broker, select Yes and choose the preferred broker for your investment. For those without a broker, select No and open a Demat account with Motilal Oswal to proceed. After successfully selecting your broker and logging in, tap on the Portfolio tab. Tap View Stocks and then tap Invest Now. Select either one-time plus SIP or one-time confirming the investment amount. One-time is a lump sum investment where you invest once and no recurring investment occurs. And in one-time plus SIP, invest your desired amount and start your recurring SIP from coming month. Now, click on Confirm Order Type. Confirm your investment amount and click on Confirm Details. Review your order and proceed with Place Orders. Finally, proceed with Yes, Confirm Orders. Wait for the order status to be complete. Check your order status completion and you are all set. For any assistance, please connect with us via email at support@tejimandi.com or via in-app chat box.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.